This is 3-pin footprint. In this footprint, one pin is T-shape and it is called custom side pad. The pad size looks something around 5 by 3 or 5 by 4. So I'm taking 5 by 3. Custom side pad cannot be created easily with the help of tools like pad stack editor. So to create custom side pad, we need to create shape. Select shape format or shape symbol in Allegro PCB editor. Create a shape like the pad is given in the data sheet. So I'm going to create 5 by 4 the shape of custom pad. Properly select the design parameter, metric or mils as per your requirement. I'm changing origin as per my requirement. Now it is time to provide the shape. Just go to the shape and select fill shape. If you select rectangle, then it will be just only one line. So you have to select fill shape only. Just provide the shape as per given in the datasheet. After creating the shape, you can modify it as per datasheet. So you can drag and drop it and create the shape exactly as given the dimension. Select arrow tab, and after that you can select the shape and you can modify it, you can drag it, you can edit it. So I'm trying to, yes, to make it 3 by 4 shape. The shape size pad creation is little bit time taking since you have to modify each and every thing as per datasheet. So this is I'm taking 1 by 1 and the complete size 3 by 5 In status bar you can see that where is your dimension. you can see XY coordination. So as per XY coordination, you can
The shape of pad
you can
already have been
update the
created in
shape.
.dra format. Now to convert into pad, you need to go to the pad designer section. Just
After
select
creating it, you have to save
the
it,
shape
and after that, you can convert this
file.
.dra file which you have just created in Allegro PCB editor into pad. So in pad editor, you have to open pad editor, and after that, you have to select
Millimeter
the right unit, and after that,
rectangle.
select SMD,
Select shape
and in shape section, you can select the
5
shape you have just created. The same thing you have to do in solder mask top and in paste mask top. Just select rectangle as it is selected, and after that in shape just drag, just select the shape you have just created. Now it is time to save it. Just save it to the location previously I had created, so I am just overwriting it. Now your pad, I mean custom site pad is created. You can use it into your PCB footprint. Now I'm going to create custom site PCB footprint and going to use this pad I have just created. The custom site pad I have just created. So change grid and units as per your requirements.
point 7
So this is almost 1 by 3 mm pad, the small one. So I'm taking it from the library. So just search into the search box. You will get the footprint. It is vertical, so just make it horizontal and place it. Now it is time to place the custom site pad. Just search it and create it and place it. So just it is placed. Now just arrange the pads as per datasheet location. Now all the pads are placed. It is time to place silk skin and assembly top lines. So just now I placed the assembly top. Now it is time to place silk skin top. So for silk skin it is better to use at least 0.15 mm thick line. And now it is time to provide reference. So for reference you can provide star, anything. So I'm just using star, otherwise it will give error when I will save it. So it is created now
your
and it is saved
footprint
now.
is ready
So
as
that
per
will
this
look
one.
almost similar.
Okay,
So just take the exact dimension from the datasheet and create it. This is custom site footprint created.